day. Your future is decided not in years, not in months, not even in hours, but in 5 seconds. And you don't even notice it happening. You promise yourself, I'll start tomorrow, I'll focus later, I'll change eventually. But tomorrow never comes. Later turns into never, and eventually stays a dream. You feel stuck, frustrated, confused, because you want to improve, but somehow you always fall back. Here's what's really happening. Your brain has two modes. One is fast, automatic, effortless. The other is slow, intentional, and expensive. So your brain tries to save energy. When a thought appears, work out, study, focus. Your brain gives you 5 seconds. 5 seconds to choose. After that, autopilot takes over. Those 5 seconds are a gate. On one side, time, your future self. On the other, your comfort zone. If you hesitate, your brain defaults to what's familiar. Scrolling, avoiding, delaying. Not because you're weak, but because your brain is efficient. Autopilot isn't evil. It's a program built from repetition, strengthened by habits, locked in by emotion. Every time you delay, autopilot gets stronger. Every time you act, it weakens. Your future isn't shaped by big decisions, but by tiny ones you repeat. Think of life as a ladder. You don't jump to the top. You step, or you don't. Each 5-second moment is one rung. Climb enough times, your identity changes. Skip enough times, nothing moves. Here's the secret. Your brain doesn't follow goals. It follows identity. When you act within 5 seconds, you cast a vote. I am disciplined. I am focused. I am someone who starts. Miss the window, you vote the opposite. Your brain listens to votes, not intentions. Step 1. Notice the moment. The second a task appears, count. Don't negotiate. Don't plan. Move your body. Stand up. Open the book. Touch the keyboard. Action breaks autopilot. You're not starting the task. You're starting the motion. One page, one push, up, one sentence. Your brain doesn't resist action. It resists starting. So make the start laughably small. Do this once, nothing changes. Do this daily, everything changes. Because momentum compounds. 5 seconds today becomes discipline tomorrow. Discipline becomes identity. Identity becomes destiny. You don't need motivation. You don't need willpower. You need to win. The next 5 seconds, that's it. Not your whole life. Not your whole day. Just the next moment. When your brain asks, do we act or do we delay? Choose once, then choose again. That's how futures are built. Next time the moment appears, count down from 5 and move, because your future is waiting on the other side of those seconds.